Today we talk about how can you disable atmosphere uh, on your star workshop app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here in this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on settings here. So then it's going to show for you like this. You click here on visual effects, you just click on it. You come here to atmosphere, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here atmosphere disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.